replacing the air filter on a DAF LF E6. First of all, we've got to get to the filter housing. This is normally behind the side rail. Remove the R-clips and then pull the pins. And then you can lift it all up. This one's a bit stiff. Unclip the 4 clips on the filter housing, one in each corner, even though it's a circle. And pull it off. Then with a little wiggle, the old air filter will come out. Horrible. Clean up the filter housing, and then grease up that air filter, because you never know when it's going to come back out again. Push it in, make sure it's all the way in. You'll know if it isn't, because you won't be able to get this front back on. Push it in, then make sure you line up the clips. There's a little ledge and a big old triangle. You can't get it wrong. The little nipple will be facing downwards to let any water out. Pull them all tight, push your side rail back down, and put the pins back in.